We are back with another Kandi T-Shirt, and if I'm correct, this is his 13th one. And as usual, the company he usually orders the beads from delayed his order and messed it up as well. He ordered 10 bags of the black beads in quantities of 500 but got 150 instead. So he went to Michael's and Joann's stores, but couldn't find any and resorted to Amazon. Luckily, Amazon came in clutch and saved the day. After that, he went around his house and grabbed the extra supplies he needed. However, due to the delay of beads, he only had 9 days to work on this Kandi T-shirt. The event he is making this for is the Better World in LA Conventional Center hosted by Slander and Insomniac. And after asking Scott, he learned that Izzy and Derek's favorite colors were red and black. So the theme of this Kandi T-shirt is going to be War is Not Over from Walk on Water music video and Finding a Better World with You with Slander's favorite colors. After long hours, within the first 16 hours, he was able to get a good portion done. Within the next couple of days, he was about halfway done, but ran out of one of the 5 reds he was using. Due to this, he made a difficult decision and had to supplement one of the reds with the one that ran out. But after looking at how it was coming out, I assured him it still looked amazing. P.S. I'm colorblind, so I have no idea how this looks. Anyways, all he needed was to tie the straps and he finished. Total beads forged against their wool, 18,120 total time spent, 89 hours to sanity level, 67%. Thank you for watching.